Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Nice to see you. Okay, so how are you all?
Fine, sir. What
Okay,
about you, sir?
nice to hear you. I'm also fine. So what's the date today?
4th of July, sir.
Very nice. Okay, very good. 4th of
July.
July. Okay, 2021. Okay, so subject is
Economics.
economics. Yes. So what is the main topic we have been discussing?
Food security in
Very
India.
good. Yes, food security in
India.
Okay, India. Okay. So, do you remember what did we discuss yesterday?
Yes, we discussed about the story of Ramu and Ahmad.
Okay, very good. So today, okay, we are going to just let me read the subtopic. Okay, food insecure. Okay, food insecure. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So okay, before we go, okay, move to a new subtopic. Okay, so just to recapitulate whatever we have, okay, discussed yesterday. Okay, about the two cases. Okay, yesterday we saw previously we saw one story, and yesterday we saw we discussed one story. So in both the families, what is the similarities in terms of members?
All same. Number is same, 8, sir.
Yes. How many members were in both the families?
8. Right?
Yes, exactly. Yes, 8 members. Okay. Okay. Then, who was from rural background?
Ramu
Yes, very good. So Ramu is from rural. Okay, rural background. Ramu. Okay. What about Ahmad?
is from urban background, sir.
Yes, he was from urban. Okay. Ahmad. Okay, Ahmad is from urban background. Okay. So, what? So, do you remember their what kind of works they were doing?
Uh,
This is
they're
okay.
working in the agricultural field, sir.
Yes, Ram was working in the
Agricultural field.
yes, agriculture field. Okay, then Ahmad.
Is
Something related to cycling. Do you remember?
oh yes, he was rickshaw puller.
Yes, Rakshapurar. Okay, so okay. So here, do you think all the families families working different places So do you think that job was secure for both the families?
No, sir.
Yes, job was not secured. Okay, not secured. Okay. So do you think they had a fixed amount of money?
No,
Getting fixed
sir.
money? Yes. No fixed amount of money. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Money was not
Fixed.
okay. Money was not fixed. Okay. So this is the we saw, and then sometimes they used to save money. Okay. Sometimes whenever they had a good especially Ahmad when he was earning uh, maybe more. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So some days he used to get more more people to take them to different places. So that way he was earning sometime more.
More
So
money.
when he was earning more, he used to save that money for the days when he is jobless, when he doesn't get people to take to different places. Okay. So let us today discuss about new subtopic, that is food insecure. So I request one of you to switch on the projector so that it will help us to understand better. Okay. Okay. So here you see who are food insecure. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, okay. Yesterday we dealt two stories, so that will also help us to understand today better. Okay. So here, although a large section of people suffer from food and nutrition insecurity in India, the worst affected groups are landless people with little or no land to depend upon, traditional artisans, providers of traditional services, petty self-employed workers, and destitutes, including beggars. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, what are the main points are here? Can you point out here? Basically, what do you see here? You see? you can see that in this slide. What are the okay?
Large section of people are suffer from food and nutrition, sir.
Yes, that is okay. Large people, but then who are those people? You see here.
Landless people.
Yeah,
sir.
so landless. Okay, suffer from landless. Those who okay landless. Okay, landless. Then what else? You see here.
Traditional artisan.
Yes, traditional. Okay, traditional. Okay, traditional artisans. Okay. What else?
Then
Self-employed workers. Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay, self-employed. So, okay, then what we see? Beggars, okay. Even beggars, okay. So, yesterday we saw two stories. You remember Ahmad and Ramu. So, they were also okay. Actually, Ahmad was self-employed, okay, because he had his own rickshaw and he used to go to okay. Where was he working? Where was he working? Do you remember? He was working in Bangalore city. Okay,
Bangalore city.
he used to drop people. Okay, here and there. Okay, and then here Ramu was working actually. Whose house? He was actually working for
The Sarpanch, sir.
Sarpal Singh. Okay, he was working in this house. Okay, what was he doing? It is.
Yeah, agriculture.
Yes,
field.
it was in the agriculture field. Okay, maybe okay, sowing, plowing, he was helping. Okay, in the cultivation. Okay, so you see here, so their amount of okay job was not secure. Whenever like okay, if he did not like to keep, if he did not like to keep that Satpal Singh, he could remove them. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that job was not secure. And here also, rickshaw, if he okay. Ahmad, if he falls sick, do you think that he will get money?
No,
He
sir.
will not go for work. Okay, so that way their jobs were not secured. Okay, so okay, let us see the next slide. Okay,
Yes, sir.
in the urban areas, the food insecure families are those whose working members are generally employed in ill-paid. Okay, occupations and causal labor market. Okay, so what do you understand by ill-paid?
Ill paid means maybe
Ill-paid.
not paid according to their labor, sir.
Yes, according to their work. See, for example, I will give you. Suppose you are working, you are supposed to work 6 hours, okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
then you are working 8 hours. And then
Okay.
suppose you should get how much rupees? 200 rupees in a day, but then you are getting only 150 rupees, and that also you are working extra 2 hours.
Yes, sir.
Then also you are getting less. So that is ill-paid. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So getting less, getting what? Less money, yes. Less money, okay. So that is ill paid means okay. So okay, these workers are largely engaged in seasonal activities and are paid very low wages that just ensure their survival. So they are getting very less, and with that they have to run their families. Okay, run their families. So here, okay. So seasonal activities. So here, do you think all the time they are getting works
No, sir.
according to season? Okay. So yesterday we saw okay the story of actually Ramu. He was okay working in the field of Sarpanch of the okay village. So he was 4 months unemployed because of seasonal activities. Okay, 4 months. That time crops were getting matured. Okay,
Yes,
getting
sir.
okay ripened. Well, then 4 months. So 4 months was he getting money?
No,
He was
sir.
not getting money. So those 4 months, what does it indicate? So those 4 months indicate that he was in food insecure. He was not getting okay.
Yes,
That
sir.
time he had to survive or he had to run his family. The money he earned
Before.
earlier, yes, before. Okay. So things are getting clear to you, students. Concept
Yes,
is
sir.
clear, hope.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the social composition along with the inability to buy food also plays a role in food insecurity. the SC, STs, and some sections of the OBCs, lower caste among them, who have either poor land base or very low land productivity, are prone to food insecurity. So we say okay, food insecurity. Okay, that is okay. Our main topic too. Okay, so how this is actually this that especially the story of Ramu and Ahmad is actually helping us to understand who are food insecure and what is food insecurity. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here likely who are mostly okay, like mostly okay affected. You see here who are SCs and STs, and especially those who do not have what land. Here
Land,
also we say okay, so those who do not land, but they are poor. And then what we see, they have land, a piece of land, but then that is not what,
Not sufficient, sir.
not sufficient. And then we see land low, very low land productivity. That means this is barren maybe. They need what? Manure
Manure.
to make it land fertile.
Right.
But for that they need what? Will they get the manure without free of cost?
No, sir.
No.
They need money to buy,
Yeah,
sir.
so already here also. So what happens? That means they are already in food insecure here also.
Secure.
So everything is interconnected. You see here, they have okay a piece of land, okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
that is not productive, okay, not okay fertile. So in order to make it fertile, you need money to buy manure. If you are
Yes,
not able
sir.
to buy manure, you have less productivity. You cannot cultivate much, or you may not have much production of crops. So what will happen? You have less crops or things to be kept for future. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So hope concepts are clear to you, dear students.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So one of you can read this one, this slide. Okay, this.
The people affected by natural disasters who have to migrate to other areas in search of work are also among the most food insecure people. A high incidence of malnutrition prevails among women. This is a matter of serious concern as it puts even the unborn baby at the risk of malnutrition.
Very good. Okay, excellent training. So you see here, the people affected by okay natural disaster. Okay, who have to migrate. So those are affected. As I told you. Okay, quite often okay that Orissa we had this time. Okay, so if they are affected, if by okay like tsunami or cyclone, they have to go to some other place. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that time they have to look for what? In search of food also to okay, a shelter also. Okay. So they are also food insecure. Okay. They also
Yes,
come under that category. Okay. A high incidence malnutrition prevails among women. This is a matter of serious concern. Okay. So you see here, if you don't get okay enough money or enough nutritious food to feed those who are actually pregnant. Okay. So that will affect that child who is in the womb of a woman.
Mother.
Okay. Yes,
Yes,
mother.
sir.
So that particular child will be affected. That may not be healthy. Okay. Okay. So a large proportion of okay pregnant and nursing mothers and children under the age of 5 years constitute an important segment of the food insecure population. So those who are in this category, especially those pregnant women also, okay, and age of 5 years, they have to do what? Provide with good nutritious
Nutrition
food, so that their what that will develop intellectual, physical, everything will okay. There will
Overall,
be
sir.
yes, overall development will take place, and if you don't provide at this time, they will be they may not be healthy as a result. Okay.
Yes,
May
sir.
not be healthy, and that will affect their lives. Okay. So hope things are clear to you, dear students.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's go to the next slide. Okay. The food insecure people are okay disproportionately large in some regions of the country, such as economically background states with high incidence of poverty, tribal and remote areas, region more prone to natural disasters, etc. Okay. So especially who are likely to be more food insecure. You see here, those are in rural areas and those and tribals. Okay, and those are poor. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are coming to So these are the states. Okay, in fact, these states of Uttar Pradesh and southeastern parts, Bihar, Jharkhand, Orissa, West Bengal. So these are the states actually. Mostly people are insecure. Okay, food insecure.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
they come under this category. Okay. Okay. So I can move with that. There's nothing much. Okay. So let us recapitulate. Okay. Whatever
Yes,
we have
sir.
seen. Okay. Let us recapitulate. So here, who are the people mostly suffer from food and nutrition?
ST, SC, OBC, sir.
Yes, they are also. Then I told you as
Those
I
who are
told you,
landless.
Yes, landless. Okay,
Landless
very good.
people.
Landless. Okay, very good. Okay, then in urban areas, who are food insecure?
In urban areas, especially those who are not regularly employed, sir.
Yes.
Like Rexa Puller and all.
Rectapular, and then I told you here. You see here.
Yes, ill paid.
Yes, those who are working actually they are putting their efforts, potentials, but then
They are
they
ill
are
paid.
yes, ill paid. They are paid less. Okay, what
Yes,
they are
sir.
supposed to get, they are not getting. So they are mostly actually in food insecure. They come under in that category. Okay.
Yes,
So dear
sir.
students, okay, hope you understood that. Okay.
Yes,
It's okay.
sir.
We discussed today. So for your homework, okay, how many people are food insecure in your localities? Just okay, you find out. Okay. Okay, dear students. So have a nice day.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.